This is a short walk on 16th Street, walking west. We're seeing that which is there to be seen, and we're looking at apartment buildings and the people walking toward us. Is that a Great Dane? Greyhound. Okay. See, I don't know anything about anything. It's just better off that way. I just report to you what I see. More beautiful brownstones. They're apartments. You can tell they're apartments because they have separate air conditioners for each of the apartments. Not one central AC unit. It's a very residential area here. It's a part we haven't covered in the past, 16th Street. So I thought we'd do a walking tour of 16th Street, see what it's like. It's not very businessy, it's mostly residential. There's a local Spanish restaurant, Spanish tapas, bar and restaurant. How about that? They're closed right now. There's another cute little restaurant over there. How about that? So you don't have to walk far to find food. Looks like we might be getting some real blue sky. That makes me happy. Ferrantino, another ice cream milkshake place. How about that? And here's the subway. This looks like the E-train. The 14th Street Station. We'll take that going back north. When we're done with these videos.
Wait.
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 Bicycle guys are crazy.
Wait.
Look at the Google building, an office building for Google. Right here on 7th Avenue and 16th Street. I guess that's where Google has their office. Well, this is 8th Avenue, so.
Yeah, he's just saying
Now we can walk.
ส่งมาใหม่เดี๋ยวไปเอาที่ใหม่ดีกว่าที่นี่ขุดเองเพราะว่าตัวข้าวโพดเขาแบบไม่ชอบให้แบบมันเรียบบ่อยๆพูดแล้วพอดี
Very cosmopolitan
เลยโดน
part of the world. Many different languages spoken in Manhattan.
แล้วราคามันแพงกว่า6 ปีว่าถ้ามันไม่มีการ์ดปีก็เลยลองถ่ายการ์ดจะเอารหัสมาถ่ายก็ได้เดี๋ยวไปดูสาขาที่อยู่
Basketball being played. Pick up basketball in the neighborhood. I didn't know this was a day off from school. An old Christmas tree. Tickets on that car. Tickets these days can be like $300, $400, $500. You don't want to get tickets on your car. Now we've told you in our prior videos when you see this overhead structure, means they're doing work on the building. And to get a permit from the city, you have to erect this structure to protect passerbys on the sidewalk from getting hit in the head with a falling hammer, steel girder, something that might harm them. Christmas decorations still there. A restaurant and bar. Neptuna. Very cool. And Manhattan. What is Manhattan? Tao food, I guess.
Wait, second day after yeah. Well, they gave me 2 bottles. See,
Google Pixel. I think Google might have a store here. That's the phone that Google is pushing, the Pixel phone. Tao nightclub. This Asian nightclub. How about that? Okay, let's cross the street and see what's going on here. Yep, that's the back of the Google building. You show you the front, I guess they own that whole building through and through, that almost half a block. Very interesting. You always think of Google as being a Silicon Valley company, or Alphabet, but they own a whole building in Manhattan. Well, folks, you want to see more videos like this, go to Gary's Tours on YouTube. Search Gary's Tours and search walking tours of New York City. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.